Did you know that AI tools can make lots of thumbnail for free? And these are the thumbnail I made by these AI tools. Lots of high converting thumbnails, and which is by only ChatGPT. Okay, so I will show you step by step process. Only you will give the competitors thumbnails, and he will make lots of high professional thumbnail. So first of all, you will go to competitors video, which videos perform well, and then just copy this thumbnail. Okay, from video queue I can copy, so you can also copy from video queue. This is the video queue. Okay, this is the tools of video queue, you can see. And then just go to ChatGPT, and in here you will go to uh, this folder. I mean, you can make a folder which is like you already working with ChatGPT, or you can make new chat. Okay, new chat. So paste the computer thumbnail. Okay, in here you can see I paste a computer thumbnail, and then you will give your photo. Okay, I mean, go to add photos and videos. I mean, go to desktop where your photos have. So for example, in here, this is my photo. Okay, I mean, I will give him this photo. I mean, this photo, I have lots of photo, so I think this photo is good, this one. So this one's okay. So now I will tell ChatGPT that create a better thumbnail by the second photo. Okay, I gave a prompt, just simple prompt: recreate the first image thumbnail with second image in better way. I mean, this second image will be replaced by first thumbnail in better way. Okay, so then we will see. Also, you have to turn on the create image. So ChatGPT will give you very better way that you turn on the create image. So okay, so now we will click on the enter, and we will see the result. Okay, guys, you can see I am very surprised. Okay, by looking the thumbnail, you can see very high professional. This is the computer thumbnail. Okay, and this is my thumbnail. Okay, you can see my thumbnail. Wait, this is my thumbnail. Okay, you can see. And please comment below what thumbnail you want to make, and I will also help you, because thumbnail is very important part for a video. If people don't click, they will not see your video. Okay, so my friend, thank you so much, and please subscribe.